morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. As you can see, I am wearing a white chef jacket. It means one thing. I'm baking. Yes, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I'll get to that in a minute. Last night, I prepared, I need to read my notes because it's a lengthy name. Barley with garlic citrus chicken, baby spinach, and butternut squash. This is a very good summer warm weather dish. It is. We had a good time with this. There's some great photos of the step-by-step and how this is built up and plated. Check it out. It's a wonderful meal. I will get the recipe up for you. Today, I'm doing two things. Obviously, I'm baking. I'm making baklava rolls. Yes, I've been wanting to do this, like I said, for a while now. I'm finally doing it. I'm pulling the trigger. And Rob and I went to the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market on Saturday and bought tomatoes for gazpacho. Yes. Let's get to it. Not a real lot of hardware today. Baking dish, the 9x13. I might shrink that down a little bit to a different size, but that's for the baklava rolls. The small soup pot or whatever that thing is so I could do the syrup that goes over the baklava rolls. I have my sugar already divided out. One is for the filling, the other sugar is for the syrup. Going very traditional, pistachios, walnuts. The little bag is almonds. I have my Saigon cinnamon from the local spicery. Local honey, which we also picked up at the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market. Mexican vanilla. Good old clover butter. That's a big old cup. Just a skosh or a teaspoon of lemon juice. Of course, the phyllo dough. Obviously need some water for the syrup. And so that's all the goodies for the baklava rolls. Then we switch over to the gazpacho. These lovely, lovely tomatoes. They're starting to go soft on me. I need to use them today. So we have the tomatoes, an Anaheim pepper, an English cucumber. You want to use about 8 inches of that bad boy. Some garlic, some good old California olive ranch olive oil, some kosher salt, red onion, and aged sherry vinegar. So that's what I am doing today. No actual cooking tonight. I'm still trying to decide in my brain, 'cause I have to go to the store. I got to pick up some extra olive oil and yeah. Oops. But I'm still deciding. I'm probably going to do the gazpacho first to get that in the chill box, the cold box over there. And then I'll do the baklava rolls. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.